insert, insert. Second one is what? Delete. Third one is update. This is the three things we have. First, we will go for what? Insert. First, we will go for insert. This is actually a part of Oracle. Don't think it is a part of Python language, right? So first one is called what? Insert. Insert. So let us go to the database once. So as we discussed yesterday in the last session, two places we used to do DDL statements. You see, in SQL prompt how to do it, in our Python program how to do it, even alter also at SQL prompt, and then in Python program. So today also is a very interesting and good programming, how to insert a record into the database prompt and how to insert a record through the Python program. We are going to see. So let us go to the database once. Go to the database and say this is called SQL Plus. Now you are going to get it. Now look into this part. I say here some 24 or 28. Some bold fonts here. Now enter here username and then password tiger. Fine. This is our table is ready. Our environment is ready. Select star from tab. Select star from tab. You are getting, these are the details what we have. Bonus table, customer table, deposit, EMP, employee. Are able to follow? So let us go to the situation of this employee. This is our table which we created in the class or not? So let us go to the table DESC employee, which is going to provide some description employee. So which is having employee number, employee name, salary, and then company name. How we can insert it? So simple. Insert into, what is insert? Is a command. Into is also one kind of keyword. Table name. What is the table name? Employee. Insert into table name. This is only thing you are writing newly. Values. What are you inserting? Values is a keyword. Into is a keyword. Into is a query name. DML query name. Only table name you are writing. Values. You must pass the value. For what? ENO. You must pass the value for name. You must pass the value for cell. You must pass the value for C name. Let us pass the value called what? 111. Already you have given the number called what? 4. I can give 111. Next is called what? I can say some name here. Some name I am giving. Some name I am giving Ganesh. Like this. Next I am going to give what? I'm giving salary is called what? 6.7. Next company name is called what? See that Ganesh, I'm writing within the double quotes. I have to write in Oracle, I have to write in single quotes. Strings in Oracle always in single quotes. Single quotes I am writing it. Single quotes. Now I am writing in IBM. This is a data which I wrote. STR related, varchar2 related data always written in the single quotes. My dear students, careful follow. How many columns I have? 4 columns. How many values I am writing? Right. Semicolon you must give. So it is called what? One row created. One row created. I should see that whether the data, I will read the data. I will select the data. Select star from employee. Select star from employee. From this place, I am just going to see in this employee table, how many records are there? One record is available. Under employee number, one value is there. Under name, this name is there. Salary, like this. So everybody will feel that this data is available. Everybody will feel that this data is available. Once if I come out of the Oracle environment, suppose I am saying here exit. Once if I say exit, and if I come back once again to Oracle, this record will not be there. That means once if I insert the record, that is just showing that it is available in the memory. I have to make it as what? Permanent change. Permanent change. For that, you have to say commit. What is that? Commit. Committing means what? Saving permanently. Databases are meant for permanent storage only. It is just marked for insertion. You have to make it as what? Permanent changes. So what I'm going to do, I will say, for example, to show you this effect perfectly, suppose that record is showing to you, select star from employee. Once again, one record is there. I will say, for example, roll back. These are the operations I'm trying to introduce slowly. Rollback means what? It is a command in Oracle. This is an environment of Oracle I'm talking. Once if I say rollback, this data what you inserted is removed. See that semicolon you give. Rollback complete means what? This record was inserted. Removed, that is. Select star from employee. There was no data present inside. Are you getting me? Again you insert. One row created. Select star from employee. This is showing. Now I am doing what here? Commit. Once if I say commit, what will happen? That will be stored permanently. Yeah. Commit complete. After commit complete, you see once again select star from employee. I have the data. Even if I say roll back, will it be removed? No, it won't be removed. Roll back. You say select star from employee, it is not removing because I did what? Commit. This is what I want to tell you. Once if I do the operation called what? No. Once if I do the DML operation, either insert operation or delete operation or update operation, immediately you have to do what? Commit, you have to do it. Once you say commit, automatically what will happen? Nobody can do the rollback operation. I hope you are understanding that. Once again, I will insert one more record. Right. So, Ganesh, yesterday you are talking about not null till. Okay. I will tell you, Ganesh. Don't worry. I am there to tell you that only. Fine. So coming to the next part of it. Insert into one more thing. I'm going to take. So I'm taking 222. I'm saying something like this. So I'm giving some name. One more student, Renuka. I'm giving something like 7.7. So I'm giving TCS, for example. So I'm saying that one more row created. After that, what is happening? Select star from employee. How many records are there? 2 records are there. If I say roll back, what will be removed? Only last record will be removed. Am I correct? Last record only will be removed. Select star from employee, only one is there. The moment when you insert the record, immediately you have to do what? Commit, you say. After saying commit, even if you say roll back also, it won't be removed. You say roll back here. This is not going to be removed here. Say select star from employee. So it is going to be still 2 records are available. Is it understandable? Now, what is that next thing is I'm trying to write. In place of that, I'm writing here 333. I'm writing 333, some number. Now I'm writing something like this, something like, RS. Now I'm saying 1.7. I'm writing here null. I'm writing here salary is called what? Null. I'm writing null. Here I'm writing company name is called HCL, for example. HCL. See that? What is that? Ganesh Verma. Follow me carefully. What is previously said? You observe that what do you call skeleton of it? Salary is what? Not null means no null values to be passed. You see last now insert into employee values some data, something. I don't know the salary of it. I'm passing null. Once you say null, what will happen? Is it allowed or not? Cannot insert null into this place. For salary column in employee is not possible to add which values? Null values. Moreover, I am trying to write 1111 RS. Now I am writing that 1.6. I am saying 111. Is the 111 already there or not? Yes. So now you say it was error. Unique constraint violated. You are violating the constraint of what? Unique. Because already I did in the class. ENO is what type? Primary key or not? So primary key kind of things, rule is violated here. That's why it is not possible here. I hope you are understanding what I am discussing. Are you following me? So let us go to back. Let us go to back this point. Insert statement, I'm going to explain what is this insert meaning. I'm going to enter into this. Come on, students. Now, how many records are there with me? 2 records are there with me. Select star from employee. 2 records are there with me. So coming to this now, this, right? Yes, ma. Shivananda. I'm going to, you are just moving forward. Shivananda. I will come to that, ma. I will come to that. When you insert the value through Python program, directly that value will not be shown. I will show you that. Shivananda, wait for 10 more minutes. I will explain you. Okay? Right. So this statement is used for inserting a record into a table. How do you insert a record? Syntax I am going to give you. What is the syntax here? Come on, fast. Tell me, what is the type? Insert into. Where is this command prompt? I should use it where? SQL command prompt. Insert into employee. Insert into where? Employee values. Come on. Value 1 for column 1. Value 1 for what? Column 1. Value 2 for column 2. So on what? Value n for what? Column n. This is a syntax. So insert into employee values. Value 1 for column 1, value 2 for column 2, value n for column n. Right. So now I am going to say, next example I will go for it. What is an example here? See the example here carefully. Let us go to this example. I am writing this type of example in the class. So let us take this example. I am going to take this. So coming to this example, at SQL prompt I wrote it. Now I want to write a Python program which will insert the records in a table. Which table? Employee table. Shall we write the program? Write down. Open the notes. Come on. Ganesh already wrote, ma. Already wrote. Please concentrate in the class. Concentrate, please. Here I already wrote. You asked me null. I wrote null. I shown you the error. I wrote information. I am showing that it is a no error is that. I wrote the same value again. Primary key constraint is coming. Concentrate in the class. Once it is already answered again and again, same thing gives problem. Right, take care. Write down. In the notes I already wrote. That is Oracle related part. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will insert a record. Which will insert a record in employee table. By accepting employee values from keyboard. Okay. So let us see, guys, all of you understand this now. Very, very simple. I'll show you multiple ways. One example. This is a very important case, right? This program accept the values of what? Employee and what? employee and insert. And insert into where? Where? Employee table. Employee table. Okay, let us start this. EMP insert example. Insert example 1.py. Okay, import. Come on, cx underscore Oracle. Next, con is equal to. Today I will do this first one. I will do with functions how to do it. Dot what? Connect of what? You know, Scott Tiger @ localhost, then ORCL, CUR is equal to con dot cursor object. Okay, first step is done. Importing what? Module name, getting the connection and cursor object. Well, now I am going to say execute the query. What is the query now? I will write one simple sentence. Design the query and execute. Design the query and QRY is equal to insert into whatever you have written in the place, you write as it is. Insert into which table? Employee table. What is my table name? For example, employee of something like 3333. Values I forget. Here I need to write values. Otherwise you will get database error. Values 333. Something like I am writing single quote RS. Why single quote? Because in database it accepts single quote. You need to pass that. Okay. So I'm saying something like 7.7. Some 7.7. I'm writing here something like a TCS. Okay. Now end of this. Now I'm writing like this. So insert into employee values you need to pass it. This is a query what you designed it. Now I'm going to say how to pass the data. This is a query which you have passed. Now I need to execute. How do you execute? Come on quickly. Not what? Execute of QRY. CUR dot execute of QRY. Yes, it is done. QRY. Once it is executed, I can say whether you remembered or not. Look at one student. Look at here. Once this is successfully inserted, you are getting one number there, one row created. Did you understand? Once a record is inserted successfully, you are getting one status from the database saying that one record inserted. Like that, even if it is executed successfully, your Oracle engine will keep some value inside of CUR. That is the one will be kept. One is nothing but what? Record number inserted. How many? One. Suppose if I delete 2 records, what is kept? 2 will be kept. So how many number of records are reflected in the modification level of database? That type of number will be kept in CUR. I say here print of employee record. After some time, I will change this code. Of course, this is one preliminary example I am giving. Employee record inserted in employee table. I told one important point. Once DML query is executed, is it a DDL query or DML query? DML query this is. I'm giving a comment here. DML query this is. Once a DML query is inserted, we get a message, but it is originally not inserted. For that, what do you need to do? Once it is executed, you say immediately cursor.commit you say. Not cursor. Sorry for it. Connection.commit. So over the connection, you commit that kind of record. Once you don't say this commit, remove the commit. For a few minutes, you observe it. And moreover, I will write one type of exception part also in the class. It's a regular story. I need to write always. What is this now? cx underscore what? Oracle dot, what is this? Database error. Database as what? DB. So print of, what is this now? Problem in database. Problem in database, comma, DB I can say. DB I can say. Just try to execute this. Just try to execute. Go to this place and try to insert this records. Yes, coming to the command prompt, students. E colon, say this, KVR, Python, 4 p.m. Say, yes, and now it is called what? Python, Oracle, Python and Oracle communication. Okay. Now see this, students, py, and say this. What is happening? I am getting the message. Sibananda, you are getting this message, but record is not inserted. Select star from where? Come on, employee, it's not inserted because you did not commit. Go to the program and say what? Connection dot commit. Connection dot commit. Now you say execute. Record inserted permanently. Go to that. Say select star from. Got it or not? This is inserted. Sivananda. Are you understanding? Yes. So take care. Take care of that. So once a DML statement is over, it is your responsibility to commit. Commit is a function in where? Python. Available in which object? A connection object. Did you understand? Without a commit, if you say, it is not going to reflect it to the table. Understand? But if you remember me, this is going to be what? Static data. You are passing a fixed data. You execute again. You execute again. Is this record will be inserted once again? Huh? No. Why? Already I made the primary key. You please execute once again. Please look at my problem in where? Because you are violating which constraint? So you violated the constraint. Which constraint you applied? ENO is called primary key applied or not? So that you are violating. Already 333 is there. How can you say 44333 like that? Now I am going to say here 444. 444. So I am saying that Dennis Ritchie. Now I am saying something like, something like 4.7. Now I am writing something like Bell Labs. I am just writing Bell Labs like this. Fine. Here I am writing like this. Now you insert. It will be executed successfully. It will be executed successfully. Check it out in the backend part. So beautiful. It is going to be done. It is going to be done. Are you able to understand, students? Right. Now, what is the point to be remembered here? If I want to insert, I can't do the changes in my program. I need not to go for what? Saving and doing that. I want to accept dynamically the data or not. So how to do this? Now I'm going to take up the same program. Now I'm going to do this. Look at these, students. Dynamically I'm going for. Dynamically I'm going for. Listen all of you. Listen all of you. Now I'm going for. Accept the values of employee from where? Keyboard. From where? Keyboard. And insert into employee table. Okay. Let us, if you want, you can remove this. Only cursor object you take it. Rest of the thing you remove. Cursor object. Employee insert example2.py. Understanding, students? Right. Come on now here. What I am doing? Accept. Which values? Employee. Come on. Values. Come on, accept it. ENO is equal to or EMPNO is equal to. Any variable name you can take it. Don't have a doubt. Sir, here ENO is there. Is it necessary to take ENO? It is after all our local variable. Int of, because there I took it as what? A number type. Here you need to take it as which type? Int type. Come on. Input of. Come on, guys. Enter employee number. Enter employee number. Okay. Next is called what? E-name. Input of what? Enter employee name. Enter employee name. Next is what? is salary. What is this now? Float of input of enter employee salary. Enter employee salary. I have how many values? 3 values. 3 values are ready or not? Very good. Now go for what? Design and what? Execute what? Query. Design and execute the query. Please design. Insert query. IQ is equal to, come on fast. Insert into employee. Come on. Values. Values. Do you know beginning stages? Percentage D, percentage F, percentages. Did you remember or forget what they are? What they are? What they are? Online students will say, Shravani, very good ma. That is format specifiers. Format specifiers. Where I taught to you, I will show you here. Your flashback, I will tell you. Your flashback, I will tell you. Where is it? Somewhere else. Display data. I hope I was explained in the online session. I think so. So print function, that is data types and batch mode, and then functions. I hope it was in the during online time. I told you that display function, print function stages. I was explained. Print with format function, print with format specifiers. Or if you forget that, no problem. Go to once, because forgetting is a natural thing for the student. I'll just take up. SNO is equal to 10. SNAME is equal to something like RS. Now say, I want to look at my output. My number is, same example might be I set, and the name is, and the name is what? RS. I want to print. This is a comment I wrote. Come on, print. My number is percentage D, and name is percentage S. Okay. Double quotes end. Percent of. What is that? SNO comma SNAME. SNO comma what? SNAME. So in place of first SNO, this value will be substituted. In case of percentage, this value will be substituted. I hope you are understanding me. I got the data. Did you understand? Let's go. To this place, I will use it. That format specifiers are most important to me. Right? Yes, ma'am. So, increase the font. Font is not suitable, not sufficient. Okay. So, font. Okay, Ganesh. So company name also I will take it. Yeah, I forget to get that. Enter, this is called a CNAME. Company name is equal to input of enter employee company name. Enter employee company name. Fine. Okay. Insert into employee values. What should I say there? What should I say there? I say percentage D. Carefully follow, because I am supplying dynamic values. Values are there, and those values need to substitute in this place. How do you substituting? I am going to say. Say next. You see here. You see once again. Check it out. I can write even like this also. Percentage D. Observe it. Check it out. Everything from this place. I say percentage S of percent of what? SNO, comma what? SNAME. You see that like this I got it. Are you okay? Like that I will go to this place. Percentage D, I say percentage S. Values are supposed to be separated by comma or not? Okay. Percent of S. I wrote in single quote. Why? That value will be substituted in the single quote, because string value it is. Comma, percentage what? F. Because third column is the column name. How I know this percentage D, percentage F here clearly? First one is percentage D. Next percentage S. Next is what? Cell. Last one is C name. Go to this place. I'm saying that percent of what? S. Are you following, students? Right, guys. Keep it like that. Double quotes end. I just designed my query because I'm going for dynamic values. Now you say CUR dot, what is this now? Execute. What is this now? IQ. For IQ, what should I supply? Percent of, for this IQ, for this query, I should supply the values for this or not? What is that percent of? EMPNO, comma. Next is what? E name. I say next comma ESAL. Yes, comma. Next is what? Company name. Yes, this is the one I need to pass it. Take care about the brackets. These are all called what? These values for IQ it is passing. If you feel very comfortable, I can write CUR dot, what is this? Directly I can write it. Directly I can write this statement. What I am writing, you just watch it. I am writing all these things, I will write it. Same thing, same to same I will write it. Percent of this entire thing I will write it. Percent of this entire thing I will write it here also. I hope you are following me. Values, percentage, all these things. For this percentage D, what is applied? Percent NO. Percentage is nothing but what I am passing? E name. Percent F means I am passing salary. Percent S means I am passing what? Company name I am passing. I hope you are understanding. So if I remove the comment here, this is the value what you are having and values will be supplied. Already I wrote it here. You can write it just, I will write it what? R. Are you okay, students? This is just a comment I am giving. This is something like a comment. I am giving. Well, now once it is done, your result is inserted. I said that one record is inserted, the value 1. That value 1 is available in where? Cursor object. So CUR is an object. Which is containing inside one value called 1 is there. To get this 1 of the cursor object, there is one thing called row count. Spell out once. What is that? Row count. How do you call it? It is an attribute present in which object? Cursor. How do you call? Cursor dot row count will give you what value? 1. Please look at that. I will say first of all commit. CON dot what? Commit, right or not? I say record inserted successfully. In which table? Employee table. Right? Employee table. Okay. Dot format of, in this place, what should I insert it? 1. 1 is nothing but how do you get it? Cursor dot row count. Cursor dot what? Row count. It is an attribute. Cursor dot row count will be 1. That 1 will be substituted here or not? Are you following? Like a complex object dot real, complex object dot imaginary, like that. So coming to the point of save this code, go to the location, go to this location, save this, go to this place, execute. py employee insert example 2, enter employee number 444. I will say some student I will write it. Something like, MC. I say salary is called 3.4. Company name is called PayPal. So something like PayPal. So it is called what? Unique constraint is already done. 444. 444 is there or not? You check it out. Already 444 is there. Possible to insert? No. So what I want to do, since something happens, I need to repeat my record or not? Need to repeat. For that type of procedure, I will give you next one. So I will say there 555, 555. I'll use that. I'll give that. Next, say something like MC. Now say something like this. This is a data. See that number 1. What is that 1? Row count. So row count will give you the number of updations done in the records in the table. So you go and check it whether it is reflected in the database or not, in the table or not. So 555, this is done. Are you able to understand? So like that, I can go for something like this. You execute once again. See, to enter the another one, I am inserting once again. Something like 666. Rocky, your name. Okay, Rocky. So I'm entering something like, 5.5. It's called what, TCS. So I written one more record inserted. So if I go on running like this, it is going on inserting the names. But I want to go forward. Do you want to insert another record? Like that, I want to go for it. Can I show you that procedure? Yeah, go to that place. Same program. Check it out this in the database, whether it is there or not. So it is available here. It is available something like this. Let us go back to this program now. I want to make this program. Let it be, it is one format for you. Let it, previous one is one static format which you have written, fixed data you have written. And this is called which data you have taken? Dynamic data. With what format? Format specifiers. Let that take the same code as it is. I will go for making use of what? Come on, students. I will write it. Tell me. While of what? True. While of true. I made it while of true. I am making like this. While of true. I made like this. Fine. Even the exception is coming. It is PVM is not leaving to go out of it. While loop is making to turn back. Okay. Even the constraints are coming. It is going to make you to go for once again repetition will take place. So let us start, students. Now you observe it now. It is called what? 3.py. 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 Right? Arun Kumar, my Oracle DB don't contain employee table, sir. What to do, sir? 1 minute, ma. I will come to this. So, employee 3.py. What you will do, Arun Kumar, if you don't have employee table, what you will do? You need to create or not? Arun Kumar, you need to create employee table, ma. Already told you yesterday how to create. How to create a table, I told you, right? Create a table, table name. Here you see, you need to create a table first. Then after that, you can go for it. Can we write while false? Okay, Ganesh Kumar, while false you want to write. So you write false and then test it, what happens? Right. So whatever his thoughts are having, he want me to implement through me. So, very good student. That's why. Right? Coming to the, yes, ma, I will take care of it. While true, if you write while false, what will happen? It will come out. Then what will happen? Nothing will happen. So don't go that into that. So you need to read the loops concept at that time. So let us execute this code now. .py. Let us execute this code once. So coming to this place, go to this place and then say py, enter employee number, say 777, Arun, salary is called something like, 3.4. Next is called Infosys. I'm writing here. So one record inserted successfully in a table. Go to the place, you see that select star from, it is 777 inserted. Again asking, na? Again asking. Suppose I am asking 7777 only. I am entering like this. Some name I am entering. Some salary I am entering. It is some company name I am entering. Error will come or not? Even though exception is coming, it is going to be displayed again or not? Yes. If you don't want this to be displayed automatically, I can give you one small point there. What is that point? After this is over, I will take a print off some small line I want to give, which I already told in the class also. 50. CH is equal to, come on fast. Input off. What I should say? Do you want to insert? What is this? Another record. Do you want to insert another record? What is this now? S oblique what? No. S oblique no. S, please you say here. CH double equal to what? No. That too, if you enter no capital, small or something, I say what? Lower. Why lower? Because I am comparing with what? Lower value. Irrespective of the type of value you enter, you say what? Say break, or say sys.exit. You can write sys.exit. So because if you say break, it comes out of the loop and other statements will execute. So now I am going to give a message here. Thanks for using. I'm just giving a message or using this program. I'm just trying to write like this. Fine. I say sys dot what? Exit. Sys dot exit means I must import the module or not? Sys I am taking. Execute this code. Students. Execute now. Go there. I say this. Enter the employee number. 888. I'll go to 888. So I'll go for this. Go to this place. Irfan. So say that salary is called something like 6.5. Say something like HCL. So one record is inserted successfully in the table. Do you want to insert another record? Say S. S means another record is inserting. I say here. Next is called 999. There I will say James Gosling. Some name is entered. 3.3. I say company name is called what? Oracle Corporation. Right? CORP. And it should take only 10 letters need to take. Okay. This is maximum how many? But you gave how many? 11. So if you count it, it may be 11 because it is exceeding its range, length or not. That's why must take care of that. So I say 999 like this. Say Oracle, something like I will write shortcut. ORCL Corporation. One record is inserted into the. You want to insert another record? No. Thanks for using this program. Go to this place and say select star from employee. I got like this. This is the data what we have. Is this code is understandable? Right. Irfan, we can do it, ma. I will tell you that. Irfan, we can do it. I will tell you that in the class. Don't worry. I will tell you that. One by one, we will go for it. One by one, level by level, we will go for it. All the things we will discuss. Fine. Understand? This is by using what? Sir, write all these in notes. This is notes only I am uploading now. Ganesh Kumar, I am uploading all these things in the notes only. So all these things I am going to keep it. That's why separate program here, separate program here. All these things will come in the notes. Examples only. These are all called examples only. Right. Fine. Brahmani, what ma? Sir, I did not get a row count. Might be you are using row count like this. Brahmani, you are using row count like this. As a function you are using, I hope. It is not a function, ma. It is an attribute. Row count is what? Attribute. Brahmani, am I correct? So, row count is called what? Attribute, not a function. Okay, right. Command prompt examples are this one. This one you want. This one, why? You need to execute this, Ganesh Verma. You need to execute this. So, these examples not necessary, ma. This is not necessary. Fine. Shall we move forward? This is by using what? While loop. This code, I will use it in my ATM, for example. I will use it in my payroll, for example, somewhere else. What I do? I need to reuse this code again and again or not? To reuse this code, what should I do? Who will provide reusability? Functions, same program, modules across the programs, packages everywhere else. Understand? Right. Let me take this last and final. I will take it as what? Come on, go. What is this now? Take it. Now I'm going to keep it. This I will keep it into one function. What is the function, please? DEF EMP insert. EMP insert is my function. Following students, functions already completed. EMP insert S indentation, everything. DEF EMP insert inside of that while loop, and this is the finished. This is finished. This is called exception related part. It is done. It is done. Now I will take it. This is called what, 4.py. It is called what name? File name, and treated as module name. Module name. Module name. Save this now. Save this now. 4.py. 4.py. Yes. Can I execute this 4.py, students? Py. Employee 4.py. No output will come because there is no function call. Shall I call it now? Where? Go to another program. Go to another program. You can do in the same place only. Students, if you come to this place, main program, main program, you can execute. What function you can call? EMP insert function you can call from here itself. You can call. Understand, ma? Execute once. I will do once. Enter employee number. Enter employee number 100. Say some name is called what? Atish. Atish. Say something like 3.3. 3.3. Something like, something like CA. Right? Done. One record inserted. No, I don't want to insert any record. Go to the place of employee. I got Atish. 100 Atish 3.3 CA. Are you getting my point? Yes. But my intention is not to write the main program in the same place. I don't want to write in the same place. I want to use it in some other place. See, so simple. Execute once again. This time it will not give because I removed that code now. Go. Where? Others. Say what? Execute. Employee insert, main program. Now this is a main program you are doing. What is my program here? EMP insert demo or employee demo. Employee demo dot what? Py. So it will give error or not? Error. Why error? Yes. 1 minute more. All the things you experience it. No hurry at all. Employee demo. Error. Employee insert is not defined. Name error. So I should do what? Come on, from import. From import directly. From EMP insert example 4.py. Py. Say import. That is import what? EMP insert. EMP. Yes. Done. Easy or difficult? Easy. Let us execute this. Let us execute. Okay. Enter employee number 200. 200. So I say Asif. Asif 4.4. Say something like Cognizant. So something like this I am writing. So something like you say like this. One record inserted successfully. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. Say employee number is called 300. Say name is called some name. I will take it. Brahmani. Say something like 4.5. Something like, Cognizant. So one record is inserted successfully. Do you want to insert another record? No. Understand? Do you understand? Good. But I want to make this program as a module. Package I want to make it. Can I? Can I make it? First of all, are you remembering packages and all? What Sari is saying you are enjoying? Not practice, right? Go to that. Asif, I'm going to that only, ma. I'm going to that only. If this program is saved in where? If this program is saved, go to save as, go to where? C colon, say somewhere else, create your own folder. I'm creating my folder called KVR. Inside the KVR, you save this emp demo.py. Go to that command prompt, C colon, cd KVR. You say there. You say there. Now, switch off your videos, ma. Faizan, switch off your video. Right. So coming to this, what is the program name is available? emp demo.py. Say py. What is my file name? Definitely there is an error called what? Module not found error. Correct or not? What you do? Go to the place where you saved this program. Where I saved this program? emp demo.py. It was there in, you see students, be careful enough. Under this is Oracle, this one. Where is my module is available? emp insert 4. In which place it is available? Python Oracle. There I need to place what? There you need to place what? Empty file. What is that empty file? Underscore init underscore dot py. Already explained. Yes. Now I have to place it. Now I am saying place it. Go to the place, students. Say there one Python file. You take it. Take one empty file. Please save it. Save under this place, under Oracle only, underscore init underscore dot what? Py. Excellent. Go to the place. Up to this place you take it, my dear students. You say, go to which place? Go to which place? Last program you say, here I need to write it. Where it is available? You observe it, students. It is available in which place? Which place it is available? C colon. It is there in C colon. C colon it is there. Please go there. I say what? Yeah, I forget. You also forget. Natural, that is. When I forget, it is abnormal. I am remembering. Sys dot path dot append of. You forget, I know. You completely forget was. Lazy. When such a beautiful subject is given, it should feel like it is an asset for you. When a big asset is there, how carefully you will save the documents. That document, even if you go by learning Python, you can buy that assets so many. Such a beautiful asset, you are not saving it. Okay, so sad. Sys dot path dot what? Append. Import what? Import sys. Already set. In this Python Oracle, what is the module name? Python insert example 4. What is the function name? In this package, in this module, in this function. What a beautiful statement it is. Execute. Go. Yes, go to which place? C place. C colon, wherever you got an error. C ma? C KVR. Now C. Beautiful. 400. Whose name I have to give now? Whose name? Rohit Jain. Is Rohit here? Yes, ma. Python path also. Rohit. Correct. Right. So 5.5 is called what? Something like, Siemens. One record inserted successfully. Do you want to insert another record? Yes. So one name is there, Bangaram. Okay. Very good student name. So when you are saying that, So 6, something like 555. So name is called what? Whether it is accepted or not, I don't know. 3.3. So, okay. What is your original name? Same, huh? Is it same? Right, done. So no. Right. Right. Coming to the point of it. Coming to the, okay, mom. Okay, student. Good. So coming to this point, this is also done. Are you able to follow? From where I executed? From where I executed? From C colon. From C colon. So check it out in your database. Select star from this place. It is done or not? Done. Done. Right or not? If I want to make it as, huh? Ganesh, please leave me. My format specifier already explained. Ganesh is not a format specifier already explained or not. So Ganesh student is not really making me to remember. Even if I get 99 years also, I will remember Ganesh Kumar like anything. Ganesh Verma. Right. Format specifiers explained or not? When I explained? In the beginning only. You see where I used to explain in the sessions actually. You see, generally in my sessions, I used to explain in these places. Where is it, ma? Data display, data reading time, and then printing time I used to explain. Somewhere else I used to explain print statement. Somewhere else it is available in your place. Might be that time we are in the online part. Let me go to my previous places. So maybe 7 a.m. because your folder means, okay, read data, display result. So Ganesh Verma, for you I am showing displaying the data. Which function we use? Print function. Syntax 1, syntax 2, syntax 3. With what function? Format. Syntax 4. Display the messages come values with what? Format specifiers. Percentage %D, percentage %F, all those things are there. Right. Fine. Are you following? Yes. So this was already there in the class. Take care of that. Okay. Right. Let us start. Next I will go for what? I can go to where itself? Where? D colon, C colon, over, that is. Next I will go for what? Python path I can go for or not? Python path is nothing but environmental variable. If I go to D colon, okay, D colon. If I don't say, you will feel sir did not explain whenever I say. So again I will say HYD. In HYD place I will place it. Now I did not write this. I did not write this. For example, I will remove. So go to D colon, student. Go to D colon. Right. Coming to the point of it, D colon. Coming to this point. So HYD. Fine. Leave that. Coming to the point of it, PY, EMP demo. EMP demo dot what? PY. So employee number, say something like 600. Verma. So something like 1.1. Something like some startup. Do you want to insert another record? No. I will go to this place. I'll go to this database. Where is the database is available? You can go to this. Here, you just see that you are getting something like this. Are you able to understand? Fine. So let us go to the point back to different places. Can I execute in my Python command prompt? Can I execute? You cannot execute. Python command prompt you go. Python command prompt you go. This place. These are all these things I explained in my packages itself. Can I use it? You cannot. This one, I want to use it from here. This one, I want to use it from here. Is it possible? No. How it is possible then? By going for environmental variable. Shall I go? Yes, go. Once you cancel it, how do you go to command environmental variables? Do you know that? How? Settings, and then there is system. There is what? Environmental variables. Environmental variables for your account. So already there is a Python path we only set now. Say what? Edit. You add the new one or not? Yes, what is it? I say, okay. I remove that. I go to the path or not? Where is that path, ma? This part I will take it. Where is it? 4 p.m. Python Oracle, take that. Okay. Go to this environmental variable. Say what? New, and paste it. Finished. Say okay. Say okay. Don't cancel after that okay. Here also one okay. And after that you cancel it. And check it out if it is there or not. Once you check it out. Anyhow, cross-checking is most important. So system, say this environmental variables for your account. Say this one. You say edit and see that all 4 are there. Right. Go to this place. Now, wherever you are in, go to that place and execute. Say students, Python 3.10, go there and say now. Come on. From what is our module name? This part you take it and say this line, say this part, say enter key, accept it. Right or not? Okay. Even you can give alias name also. As KV of. Enter employee number. 600. Next is called what? Employee name. Something like Ram, and say 2.2. Say company name is called what? Something like, Capgemini. Right? Say it like this. Unique. 600 is there, I hope. Say that it is 601. 601. Say like this. One record inserted successfully. No, it is coming out of that. You see that, go to the database and then see that how many records are inserted. So here, Ram inserted. How many places inserted? In many places inserted or not? Like that, in my real-time projects also, once you make your function with the database connectivity is so important in the real-time programming. Understand this ways and means. So like that you can go for this kind of things. Understand? Amma? Sixteenth. This one, huh? It is giving you what answer? One row inserted, right? 16. Where we got that? Number of records you are asking. So that you can count it. That you can write number of records. I can tell you that. This your mean is how many number of records are there. So instead of that thing, row count will not give you how many number of records inserted. There, if at all you are interested to find out that, there is one function is there. What is that function? Select count star from which table? Employee table. How many? 16. It is a part of Oracle. Count function will count. Number of count star will give you how many number of records are there in the table. If at all we are interested, we can give it as, after all, one sentence I will write it. Select star from that count. I will write 16 records are there as a 16th record like that. Why I did not use that is in my programming, it is not going to be inserted as what? 16th record. Anywhere else in this place that record is inserted. That's why one record is inserted, meaning I took it. Understand? Right. So now I will move forward. So with various approaches, we insert it. Like that, even if I go for a delete function also, update function also, we can do with functions, without functions, with the repetition, wherever we like it, we can go for it. Shall we go for next DML statement? So all the students in the online, are you perfect in this? Yes, ma. Ganesh Verma, you can write happily this type of ascending order, descending order. So Ganesh Verma is asking, put the names in ascending order. What I will do? I will read the names, put it in list, apply what? Sort. Reverse is equal to true, false. Reverse is equal to true means what? Descending order. By default, reverse is what? False. Always subject is subject. In Oracle also you can get the descending order, because the complete Oracle, if you know, select from table name, select from where, group by, having, ordered by. Do you know that ordered by? Ascending or descending or which column you want to ascend order, descending order, you can happily do that. Fine. If you want me to do it in Oracle also, I can happily do it. Python also I can do. I will put it in list. I will sort the total data. Right? Fine. So that is KH. Right. Yes, ma'am. KH. Sir, humble request, please repeat how to connect to Oracle to Python program, because last 2 days it shows error, no matching distribution found. It's a problem in Oracle, KH. Your Oracle was not installed properly. KH, please take care of it. If you are there in Hyderabad, please bring your laptop once. I can check once. If you are there here, you can come to this place, because there is a mismatching means it's not, Oracle is not installed properly. KH, please take care, ma. Right. Fine. So Irfan, yet you are getting this doubt, is getting this doubt. Why 2 parts are showing? Why 2 parts are saying? At a time it can hold these records, and any records are there, it will continue further. Because when we print as a report, this will come in one page, this will come in another page. So don't get the type of things, ma. Okay, you are from Gurgaon. Okay. So reinstall once the Python, reinstall once Oracle student, KH, reinstall once the Oracle once, and then check now. Right. Shall we move forward now? Which command next? Delete. Once again, stand up and say. Can we import one file or one record? One? Yeah, definitely. I said in the class only, one student asked me, can we insert more than one record? I will tell in the class. First we are going for insertion. Now I will tell you separate concept. I will explain how to insert more number of records at a time. That is called bundle of records at a time, how to insert it. It is there as a part of our class. Okay, na? Right. So now we are going to Rakesh, I am coming to delete, ma. Now I am coming to delete only. I am coming to your concept called delete only. Okay. Right. Now you are asking delete one column in a record. It is not possible, my dear student. Suppose he is asking, you want to delete one column. You want to delete one column from the table. Is it possible? Company people want to delete this salary column. Will you accept it? So it is not possible to delete a column. It is possible to delete a record. Record I can delete, but I cannot delete the complete column names. We cannot delete. Are you following me? Yes. So let us go to the next. Please put genuine requirements here. So DML statements you come here. We discussed about which statement? DML. And what is that operation? Insert. Now I am going to introduce one small point. I want to write it. What is the point here? When we use what? Any DML statement, we must commit the table, commit the database by using which function? Which function, students? Commit function. Understand? Right. So this is called which statement? Insert. And insert related examples, so many. Normal insert. Now I will tell you separately one example for you how to insert 10 records, 20 records, 30 records, 40 records. How to insert? I will tell you. Binding variable concept, I will tell you. Okay. Now I am going to enter into which command? Delete I am going to insert. Delete part I am going to discuss. So what is this delete statement is? It's very, very easy. Nothing to worry about it. Delete. I am going to say delete. How easy it is? Look at. Now I am going to enter into delete. Look at, students. How many records are there with me? Select star from employee. How many records are there? 16. Now I will say delete. Delete is a command. Delete from which one? Employee. Delete from employee. When you say delete from employee, all the records will be removed. All the records will be removed. See that? Done. How many rows deleted? See the number called 16 deleted. You say select star from. No rows are selected. Now I don't want to delete all of them. I want to get it back. What I will say? Roll back. Already explained. Roll back. Now I will get 16 rows back. After deleting, after you deleted, if I say commit here, even if you say roll back, you will not get it. Right? Now I want to remove. MC record I want to remove. I want to remove this 555 MC I want to remove. Can I? This is called what? Deleting total records. I want to delete the record whose employee number is called 555. How do you delete? Delete from table name where there is a command called what? Where. Where is nothing but what? Condition. Delete from employee where ENO is equal to what? 555. 555. Suppose I am writing 556. Do you have 556 there? First it starts the numbers with what? Where. If it is found, that record will be removed from employee. If it is not found, see what is happening. 0 records, 0 rows deleted. What is that 0 indicates? Condition is not matching. Now you say 555. That is semicolon you give 1 row deleted. 1 row. Check it out whether it is there or not. Check it out whether it is there or not. Select star from employee. 55 was there earlier. Here 55 was there. Between 44 and 77 it was there. Now it is not there. I hope you are understanding that. Now, if I want to get it back, I will say what? Roll back I will say. Roll back I will say. Select star from employee. 555 I am getting it. 555 I am getting it. If I delete that 555. Now you say select star from 555 was not there. You say what? Commit. You say that select star from. You say roll back again. Even if you say roll back also, nothing is going to come out of that. Understand? Now I want to delete this record. Shall I delete the record now? How many ways are there to delete? 2 ways. One is to delete the complete records. One more is to delete with the condition. 2 types of deletes are there. So let us go to that. I am writing this command is used for deleting the records. Deleting the records. What is this now? Syntax number 1 I am saying. What is the syntax number 1? Delete At SQL prompt, you need to say, what is that? Delete. Come on. From, what is this? Table name. One more is called what? One more syntax. SQL. What is this now? Delete. From, what is this? Table name. Where, what is that? Where column 1 is equal to, where condition I can write it. Where condition. Where what? Condition. You can write multiple conditions also. First condition, second condition, like a compound condition, you can write it. Right. I will go for example number 1. Example 1. At SQL prompt, I can say, see that, what is this? Delete from which table? Employee. Next, example 2. Example 2, you see, here I am saying, delete from employee where ENO is equal to 555. If this condition is satisfied, one record is removed. Suppose I want to delete those employees whose salary is less than 6 lakhs. Company decided to delete from employee whose salary column more than something like 4 lakhs. See that, come on, something is missing. Where it is missing? Where? How many are removed? 9 things are removed. So 4 lakhs above. So this is first is removed, second one removed, third one, fourth one, this up to here, these are removed. All of them are removed. Select star from employee. So these are the things left out. Understand? So say what here? Roll back. When you say roll back, you will get the data back again. So you are getting the data back again. So 2 ways are there to remove my data. There are multiple ways are there to remove the data. One is with condition, one more is without condition. So every type of operator you can apply, students. So I can say here, just paste it as an example. Right, example 3. So the same thing I want to write it in the Python program. Shall we write it? Open the notes, write them. Write a Python program. Write a Python which will delete a record. Based on employee number. And read the employee number from keyboard. Okay, na? Right. Look at that. I can write one static program. I can write one dynamic program. Okay. Look at that static program once. How simple it is. This is called which query? Insert with fixed values or not. Similarly, I can write the same place. What I can write it here? Delete query, I will write it. And I will execute the query or not. Understand? So this is called which query? Static. Because I am passing fixed data. You see, I will take it, watch it. I am saying this. I am saying that Python here, writing here, accept this program, delete a record. Deletes the record. From which table? Employee table. EMP delete example1.py. Here I am saying what? Directly I can write it, student. Design the query and execute. How do you write it here? Delete from which table? Employee, where ENO is equal to some database column number. I will take it. What is the number? 444. I will take it. 444. I will take it. ENO is equal to 444. Okay. and say immediately what? Right. That is nothing but I can write employee record deleted from employee table. How many records deleted? Definitely when I am passing primary key, only one record is removed. Dot what? CUR dot, come on, row count, I am giving. CUR dot row count, employee, one record, one employee record removed. In which table? Employee table. Just please execute this code. So I will save this. I'll execute. Go to this place. Say, go to your command prompt as usual. Say this place. Py. Say this. One record removed in a table. Which table it is? Go to the database. Check it out. Whether this 444 removed or not. Select star from employee. 444 was not there. Is not there. Understand? Now you see once again, student, I will execute once again. What is happening? Zero employee record removed in a table. Because there was no number present on that place or not. What is our query here? 444. Was it there or not there? Already it was removed previously. Second time it is not there. That's why it is saying zero records removed. So if you understand me, here I will write one small condition. What is the condition? If CUR dot row count greater than what? 0, say what? Say what? Employee record removed. Employee record removed. Else, tell me, print employee record does not exist. Are you following? Does not exist. Take this example once again. 444. Do you have 444? No. What is the row count? After executing, what is the row count, ma? 0 greater than 0. False or true? No? False. False means coming to which part? Employee record does not exist. Say that. Execute this code. Go to this place. See that employee record does not exist. Understand? You go once again to this place. I will remove this 3333. I will remove 3333. Go to this place. I will say 33 place. You go to this place. I say 333. Do you have 333 there? What is the row count? 1 greater than 0. Yes. Employee record removed. See that it is going to be employee record removed. Go to this place and check it out. That 333 is not there. After Ram, this was there. Between Ram and Rocky, there was one RS was there. It was removed. Understand? This is called which type of data removal? Fixed data. Now I want to remove dynamically. Accept the employee number, search in that. Accept the employee number, search in that. So to do that, I will go for what? Dynamic program. So tomorrow class when I come back, I will explain dynamically how to remove the record. So there is tomorrow I will go for what? Dynamic deletion. I'll go for one more updation and how to insert bulk records. I will enter tomorrow class. Okay, na? Right. So don't miss that class. Right. Now, right, ma. Very good. Brahmani. Yes. How to import table data in XML file. Syed Ibrahim, that XML file is not a part of our Python course. XML is a part of your data science related kind of things. Right? So that things we need to take care. So definitely in XML file, you will come across that data science level. Right. So Ganesh, rollback and commit examples in notes. Rollback and things. So when we use a DML statement, we must commit the database by using commit and to roll back the DML operation, we use which function? Rollback function, which is present in where? Connection object. Full stop. Commit function and what function? Rollback functions are present in where? Where ma? Connection object. Connection object. How you can call? CYN dot commit, CYN dot rollback. Okay na? So Ganesh Verma, happy? Sir, please mention row count also. Still row count will come tomorrow also. Rohit, still row count will come in tomorrow. I will write that time. Don't worry. Row count I will use tomorrow also. I will write it. Not necessary. Still DML operations are continuing na? Still DML operations are under continuation. I will mention that in the notes. Don't worry. So this program I will go for tomorrow class. One more program is there. Dynamic deletion. Tomorrow class I will take care of it. Right. Can we delete any table record by typing on keyboard particular table name, sir? That only I am saying ma. Tomorrow I am going to explain the keyboard table name. If you want to delete, yesterday only I told you. How do you delete the table name? How do you delete the table name? Drop. You want to delete the record? Delete. Total table? Drop. You want to take table name and record name also, you can do programmatically. Nothing is difficult about it. I will tell all these things why you are so hurry about it. Right. So next class we will go for this program. Okay. Thank you. Right, mom. So practice these examples and come to tomorrow's class.